Today we're making the Fay Wray, another cocktail from Matthew Bellinger, and I've not had this one before, and the recipe can be found online, but I first saw this on the website youtube.com, and for a long time I hadn't watched this video. I just kept seeing this thumbnail constantly being served to me for a long time, like months, maybe a year. And in the world of YouTube, the thumbnail is the king, and this one from Steve the Bartender, it just stood out to me because it looked like a picture from a magazine, not your typical thumbnail. So the look of it, the contents of that thumbnail, it's just stuck with me for a long time. So let's make one today. For this one, you'll need lime juice, demerara syrup, banana liqueur. Steve used Tempest Fugit, but I'm using Giffard instead. A rum agricole, cognac, and rum Barbancourt. Now I love myself a banana cocktail, especially one that uses a Giffard banana liqueur, but it's the spirit choice here that I found the most interesting. There's these commonalities between all three of these and these overlapping flavors. If we take rum Barbancourt as sort of the base here, rum Barbancourt is a rum from Haiti, but it's not like Haitian Clarence. It's, for the lack of a better word, it's much more refined. The process of making it, they don't use wild fermented yeast, and it has much less of that sugar cane juice flavor. It makes their entire brand a great entrance to someone who's looking to try something outside of your typical molasses rums. But it does have the backbone of sugarcane juice and some of that grassy flavor, which is what makes the use of Clement here interesting as well, because now you're sort of amplifying some of those flavors through the Clement. And then the cognac comes in, and that's another interesting choice too, because rum Barbancourt has a lot of similarities between cognacs, and it's mainly because of the aging process. The rum Barbancourts that are aged longer, and especially that 15-year, they taste very much like cognacs. They have that French oak flavor that you get from your cognacs and your rum Barbancourts. So when it comes to the spirit choice today, if you don't have these and you're looking to make some substitutions, I don't have any great advice, but just kind of take that as the backbone. You have the flavors of sugarcane juice, but a little milder, and then some of that oakiness coming from the French oak in the cognac as well as in the rum Barbancourt. We're gonna shake this one, and we're gonna start by taking a lime wedge and squeezing it into the tin and then dropping that lime wedge into the tin. Next, we're gonna add 3/4 ounces of lime juice, 1/4 ounce of a demerara syrup, 3/4 ounces of a banana liqueur, 1/4 ounce of a rum agricole, 3/4 ounces of cognac, and 3/4 ounces of rum Barbancourt 3-star rum. I'm gonna garnish with some mint and a banana chip. So there you go, the Fay Wray. All right, let's try it. I thought I was gonna like it. I think I like it much more than I was anticipating. It has this delicious, fresh banana flavor, and the Giffard has a great intense banana flavor, but I think it's that combination of the banana liqueur with the rum agricole, as well as those like fruity notes from the cognac and the Barbancourt. It just intensifies it, but not in a too grassy of a flavor, which I find can be appealing sometimes, but often just washes out an entire cocktail. So just that little bit, that 1/4 ounce of the Clement adds that freshness to make it taste, you know, it doesn't taste like you're eating a fresh banana. I don't know what a Cavendish banana actually tastes like, but it has that vibe going on with like a little bit of that banana flavor in there. The banana chips have that flavor, but they're not in the drink, obviously. But really that lime juice with the agricole and the banana, it just makes this incredibly refreshing banana cocktail, which I wasn't necessarily expecting from just looking at the ingredients. If you're in the market for those banana chips, I buy mine from Trader Joe's, where I go to Trader Joe's a couple times a week. But I don't love it. I'm not out here just pushing Trader Joe's because I love it. It's close, okay? But if you go to Trader Joe's and you buy the banana chips, don't get the organic ones. The organic ones suck. The non-organic ones are delicious. So even outside of a garnish, if you've not had these, if you like bananas, these are delicious. So the Fay Wray from Matthew Bellinger, it's delicious, and there's nothing too unordinary here. demerara syrup, lime juice, the Jaffard. I mean, you could try to sip out the spirits, but I would definitely keep that agricole in there at 1/4 of an ounce. Let me see. What did Steve have to say about this? Let's find it.
It's made from pressed banana liqueur. It sweetens it, but it's not overpowering. It's not.
So Steve the bartender likes it. I like it. I think you're gonna like it, just so long as you like banana. So that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel, and otherwise, see you on the next one. Oh, and check out the Patreon. Don't forget about that.
A bloody sling of your eternal spring.